This is Monday morning, my second run of the day. Gonna try and take a little movie of me skiing down, and let's see how that goes. There you see the lake. Beautiful view down there. You can see the cabin over there. It's gonna be another beautiful day. We go up to the peak there, and then we're gonna go ski down this side of the mountain, down along here on the backside, all the way down there. Hopefully I can do that without crashing, and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. I'm gonna stop this video, and then I will play when I get off. We can try me getting off this thing. I'm gonna get my poles out. See how this is gonna work. It's another beautiful day up here in Donner. Hopefully we're gonna get some snow on Friday. Need it. Had a little bit of powder yesterday, but it's all skied out, as you can see. So I'm just coming up here, about to get off the lift, and then we're going to go right, and I'm going to see if I can ski and take a movie at the same time without things. Should be fun. Let's see how that goes. As I start getting off the lift. Here we go. Wish me luck. It either works or it doesn't. Here we go. Woo! Lovely day in the neighborhood. Woo! Yeah, baby! Woo! Yeehaw! Woohoo! Here we go! Yeah, baby! Woohoo! Yee! Woo! Yeehaw! Yeah, baby! Cabin. Whoa! The cabin. That's about the end of my trip. Me getting back on the seat. Bye!